Hello everyone, it's Luna from Perfect Homes again. I'm going to be showing you this beautiful condo in the Himma the WOOD near Chotana Road. It is a 1 bed and 1 bath condo with 31 square meters. Anyways, let's start. Here is the microwave, the laundry, the kitchen area is over here. You have induction stove, induction fan, the sink, and the fridge. Very nice. And here is the living area. Really cute. I love this style. And here is a cozy dining table and 2 chairs. Looks very lovely. All the decorations of this room are just perfect. Now here is the bedroom. Once you walk in here, you have this big gorgeous bed, this closet with big mirrors. Wow. And here is the balcony where you can go and relax outside. And this is the bathroom. It looks very lovely with this granite. And also you have the sink, the toilet, and the shower room. And this is the library area. As you can see, you have this gorgeous piano, and also it is a nice area that you can sip a cup of coffee or drink a cup of tea. And this is the gym area. It is very spacious. You have all the equipments that you need, both cardio and weights. And this is the swimming pool area. It is very spacious, surrounded by nature. Really nice for a relaxing day. And we're done for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this luxurious condo. It is very beautiful. If you have any questions or if you want to know more information about this condo, please leave us a comment or click at the link below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. And I'll see you next time. Bye!